All right, guys, we got a 1980 mint Chevy Corvette Stingray. These when they were cool, and they still are actually. Do you prefer these over the new ones, Tim?
Yeah.
These will last longer. See, he knows what he's talking about. What do you think about it, Jared? He likes it better. Okay, so it's got factory manifolds there and there. Then it wires into a single. It's got a high flow converter somebody else put on right there. Then it wires back out, as you guys can see. And we did straight pipes, cut the mufflers off there and there. There's the two mufflers that were on it and the piping. And we cut them off and put double wall stainless steel 4-inch tips to complete the beautiful look and keep it mint. So as you guys can see right there, came out really nice, really beautiful. It's a really clean Corvette. I like it. It's got a 350 in it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. 1979 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Original 350 in it. Just slowly restoring it little by little, as you guys can see. So we left all this the same because nothing's leaking. But we took out the huge catalytic converter and replaced it with a high flow converter, as you guys can see right there. Little baby one. That's how much space it took out. We had that pipe on each side. Then it wires out in the middle, right there. All this wasn't leaking, so we didn't change it. And then just replaced the mufflers for him. Try to save him some money on it. He's gonna put a whole new system on it when he's ready. So we put two new Flowmaster 40 series originals, 42543, right there and right there. And then finished it off nicely with some black chrome dual tips right there, quads out the back. Check it out, guys. Much better. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And they weren't Flowmasters, they were knockoffs, super tins. That's why it sounded so funny. So we took them off, gave them the original Flowmaster sound. Holly, you're watching. We appreciate you guys making those Flowmasters. They always sound so good. One thing you guys didn't know about me is I used to have one of these, but I did not have any good luck with it. It was not as clean as this one. This one's really clean, as you guys can see. All original, but really clean. I think he's had the seats redone. I'm not sure. But it's just beautiful, as you guys can see. It's only got 20,000 miles on it. Beautiful little automobile. Ooh, starts right up. Much better. That sounds like a mean Corvette right there. What do you guys think? She's clean. Here's sound decibel. Again. Right at 102. Go ahead and back it up. It's like, give me more. Give me more. This is his son's, his son paid for it, giving it to him as a gift. So it's really cool. You guys, you all need to do that to your dads. Let you guys hear on that? Look at that, guys. All original. It's so clean. Firestorm red. It's cool. T-top car too. Look at that. I like it. All right. Stay tuned. That's a classic Flowmaster sound right there. Look at that cat, how much it was restricting. The catalytic converter, see how it smoked a little bit? Yeah, it blew it all out. Yeah, that old cat was restricted, man. That's perfect. That's a perfect Flowmaster sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 99.6. That sounds good. Let it idle. Let it idle. That's good. I like it. Idle's about 80. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, it's not overbearing, just clean. A little rumble to it. I bet you when you get on it, it'll open up. little trick to it. All these older cars have little tricks here and there. That's what makes them unique, guys. Wow. It's a clean. I like it. It's such a clean car. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You like it? Chevy Corvette. Straight pipe. I love the idle on these. Beautiful car. It's perfect. What do you guys think? Let me know. Enjoy.